Hello guys, so you are welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video I'm going to teach you a simple moving average crossover strategy that you can use to maximize profit in the forex market. So this one is going to be something different. There are a lot of moving average crossover strategy around the internet, but this is a particular one that is very different, that you never see anywhere, with different settings, with experience. So this video is for educational purpose. Make sure you apply it in the demo environment before trying it on the real market. Remember, forex trading have a high risk of losing all money, either being real money or virtual money. You can lose all. So make sure you seek your own financial advice before you do so. And remember, this strategy is a very powerful strategy that I have tested, and but you also have to test it if it works for you. So first point of these strategies, it works best on the 5 minute time frame. Okay, why I choose the 5 minute time frame? Because 5 minute time frame is a lower time frame where you can stay with market to get opportunity and get out of trade before you can put your phone down and look for something else to do. Okay, so the higher you go with the time frame, the more you are going to stay with the chart. Okay, so for 5 minute time frame, you can get opportunity very early, come out from trade very early, because this strategy requires you to stay with the chart. So if you can't stay with the chart, I'll show you an application where you can use to set alert in it, and then you can maximize your profit. So let's get started. So first thing first, let's add the first indicator on the chart. So you click on the F icon, click on main menu, click on moving average, and the first moving average should be 21 period, shift should be 0, change the method to exponential. Your own will be at simple, change it to exponential, and then apply to close. Okay, and let's use red for this. Okay, so you click done. So this is the first one we have. Okay, this is the slow moving average. Okay, so we look for the second moving average. We go with the same F icon, click on main window, moving average, then we change this to 10. Okay, the second moving average is 10, exponential, apply to close, and then we pick this one to be blue. Okay, this one, the style should be blue. Okay, I want to remove this. Good, should be blue. Let's go with blue. Good, great. So we have a fast moving average and a slower moving average. Okay, so let's add the last indicator. Okay, so we go again, sorry, we go with a main window, moving average, and then we select this one to be 200. The method should be simple, not exponential again, and then we select the color to be black. Okay, so we have another very slow moving average. Okay, another very slow moving average. Okay, so let me explain the black one and the strategy at once. So anytime price is below the black moving average, which is the 200 simple moving average, we will be looking for only a selling opportunities. Okay, and anytime price is above the moving average, which is the black moving average, we look for only a buying opportunities. So when price is above, we buy. When price is below, we look for sell. So now let's come to the strategy itself. Okay, so quickly, when price cross over, when the blue moving average, which is the fast moving average, cross over the red moving average, then we take opportunity. So assuming this particular point here, this is a place to enter a market. Okay, this place you must enter a market. Okay, you must enter a market around here. Good. Okay, so that is the first point, because moving average is above. So let's go again. So at this point, the entry will be when price do what again? When price come back to cross over again to the opposite side. So for this particular point, you must come out from here. But this is how we set the SL. So for this, SL have to come below here. Okay, SL have to come below the point here where the crossover happened, the swing point below that swing point, and you must do 1 risk to reward, and then add TP2 should be 2 risks to reward. So what I'm trying to say is that, so assuming you enter this trade, the first take profit should be around here, because we are entering from here. Okay, this is our entry point. So our first take profit should be here. A pip equal to the SL. You can see a pip equal to the SL. So from here to here, okay, and then from here to the top, okay, is equal. And then the second take profit should be the same distance, so it should be around here. Okay, it should be around here. So this is how you mark it. This is the best risk management to perform. So in this case, this particular trade will hit TP1 and then reject to break even. As soon as you collect TP1, you must move SL to break even. So in this case, this particular trade here will end in break even on TP2. Okay, and we'll still make profit. So now let's move again. So here is the point market has crossed the moving average to the downside. So in this case, we'll be looking for a selling opportunity. So when this happened around or here, we didn't see any cross. So let's move on. So when you see at this point market cross above, so this is not a selling opportunity. When it cross below, that is where we will sell. So we leave this entry, we will never enter this trade. So we move on again. So this is where we see the down cross, okay, this particular level here. So this candle will be our entry. So in this case, we have to enter market around this point, around this cross level, okay, and then SL will be put here. SL will be put below here, the swing point here, and then our first take profit. Our first take profit will be around, because we are entering a trade from here, our next first take profit should come around here, should be around here, equal to that, okay, and then our last TP should come here. Our last TP should come around here. So in this case, we'll come out from this trade and still have a running room for this. Okay, so this strategy is a very simple strategy for beginners. Okay, if you love what I'm doing, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and share this video. So when we come again, when it cross above this one, we can't buy because price is below the 200 moving average line. Okay, so let's go back. In this case, let's see what you can see. This when price is below around here, the cross happened here, you enter a trade. This trade was in the move till always this level. Okay, you can check in the move. This buying also has come, and remember, no strategy is 100%. You are going to encounter losses. By you practicing it every single day will make you maximize your profit with this. Okay, so there is no way any strategy is going to give you 100% legit signal. Okay, so in this case, you can see how this buy happened again around this region. This buy happened again, and look at the move. So it's a powerful strategy. If you try to adhere with the rules, you can go straight and then make a lot of profits from this simple moving average strategy. Okay, if you know about any other strategy but you don't understand, you can let me know. I will do research and break it down for you. On this channel, we review strategy and how it work in the market. So with this strategy, I'll rank it at 90 from 80 to 90% accurate. Okay, 80 to 90% accurate. Okay, so the rest 20 and 10 should be the losses that you encounter. So see you guys in my next video tomorrow. I keep dropping video about strategy every single day. So if you're interested in strategy video, this channel is your best channel. Goodbye and see you tomorrow.